Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Goodies by Lexi. I'm so excited. Y'all just don't know. Well, some of you may know. I used to have a YouTube channel and a blog 5 or 6 years ago, and I did makeup reviews, I did hair reviews, jewelry reviews, giveaways, anything to do with fashion. I mean, that has been my first love since I was like 12 or 13. So that's my jam. That's what I'm good at. This time I'm gonna be doing a lot of the same things. I'm gonna be doing unboxings like Babe Box, which is something new for me. This wasn't out, I'm pretty sure, when I was doing videos and unboxings before. So I'm real excited about this. I'm also gonna be doing BoxyCharm, which is something I reviewed back then. I'm gonna be doing giveaways. I'm gonna be showing you how to use lip masks, which are very, very cheap, and they make your lips feel like a baby's butt. And I'm also gonna be sharing my favorite eyeshadow palettes with you. Things are gonna be good, and I'm excited to just share my creative ways and things that I like to do just for fun. And after the past couple of years, let's face it, we need all the fun we can get. So I'm just asking everyone just for your support. And for those who supported me before, I hope you come back, and I hope everyone has a wonderful and blessed day. Peace.